756 Bombs for Josh, part 66. Let's get into the code review. In ArtGirl shader strings within shader source number 8, which is the Bombs for Josh shader, within the main entry point, we've made two new variables within the render unit section. We have the discrete internal local coordinate for the stained on bombs panel, and we have a 1/9 chunk of discrete units for the current stained on bombs tile. We're going to use that later, you'll see. So in our window cleaner loop, where we're rendering from front to back, we're picking out the first visible glass panel tile and then exiting, we need to get some geometric data. So in the window licking son of a bitch loop, or window licking son of a bitch section, within this swizzle my nizzle section, we have this right here, panel internal stats. We're going to get the discrete internal local and the 1/9 chunk that I was talking about, right? We're going to get this stuff. We already have the color, but now we need some geometric information. Okay, down here in render collected binary tiles, within the SOB win section, if we have a non-zero panel type, then we need to get the panel graphic bit. So we're going to use this lookup table, GP4 to a U81 graphic, and we're going to retrieve the discrete internal local and DU9 and use them together to figure out where we are on our 9x9 grid for our little tiny 9x9 bitmap graphic for our panel. And then we're going to figure out which third we're in, because the graphic is divided into thirds. We're going to get the address on the 9x9 as a one-dimensional index, and we're going to localize that index to get an I27 value into the 9x3 graphic. We're going to look up our graphic like this, right? So the panel type multiplied by a stride of 3 plus the local offset, which is whatever third graphic we're in. This U27 is our 9x3 graphic. We're going to shift out the bit here, so we got to invert this network bit index into an actual bit index, shift the bit into the least significant slot, and then mask it with a 1. The bit will either be on or off, and render panel graphics. So if the bit is on, we're going to use black for the border, the panel frame, and then if the bit is otherwise, right, so it would be off, then it's the panel glass, and we'll use the color that we used in the previous video. That's it. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here, because we do not have time on the fast code reviews. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game and open sourcing the code and reviewing every single line.